Okay, cool. So, today, I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Topdon V2200Plus. It is a battery tester slash jump box. Overall, the box feels cool. Like it's got a weird texture to it. If you want to stop and read all that, you're more than welcome to. But basically the gist of it is you've got 2200 amps of jump starting capability here, which is quite a bit. I have a few of their other jump boxes that I got off of Amazon, and I got one off of TikTok. And just the itty bitty one, the 1500, is enough to jumpstart a Tundra. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right, so the case is just like all their other cases, except for the small 1500 one. That one comes in a case that kind of sucks. It's kind of just a bag. But it's kind of a semi-hard shell case. It's got a little handle for toting it around the parking lot if you do this professionally. So let's open her up. Quick step-by-step on how to jumpstart a car. Owner's manual. I'm sure I'll have to bust into that later because I'm unsure how the battery testing portion of this will work. That's also got a weird texture to it. It's kind of fun though. So this is it. This is the jump starter. Yeah, I was right. It's got 2200 amps. It's got a DC line out. You've got a USB-C port. Got a 3.0 port and a just a regular old 5-volt USB there. Place for your jumper leads here. Straight out the box, it's got 75% charge. Let's see, if we hold it, you get a flashlight. If you hold it again, it goes away. If you hold it, the flashlight comes back on. If you press it, it flashes. And then, oh, looks like you got SOS. And then that's it. All right. On to this fun little package here. Looks like it's just your charging cable for it. It's a USB-C. So same thing for like any newer iPhone. And then your leads have a boost button. There's a Bluetooth light and then an OK error light. So let's just go ahead and plug that in and see what it does. So the Bluetooth light is flashing. Not entirely sure what that entails. Let's go ahead and find our manual. See what that's got to do. We got to download and install an app. So let's do that. All right, so I downloaded the app. It was super simple, and I went ahead and did a battery test in, my Starlet here. And it pretty much told me my battery was garbage. So let's go ahead and put the key in the ignition. Oh. Expect this to stay running because the carburetor needs some adjustments. But jump box works because it's still hooked up right there. I'm going to upload a picture of my battery test. It also does some other stuff, like cranking tests. I could have done that, but when I went to do it, the jump box wasn't active, so I had nothing at the crank. Kind of like right now, see? Oh. Overall, I'm pleased with it. I think it's kind of neat to have the battery test function. Although at Toyota, we have our own battery testers that we have to use. But it's a pretty good indicator out in the parking lot whether or not you're going to need to put one in it. So, anywho, I guess that's going to wrap that up. So I will see you at the next video, I guess.